Right. So let's talk about some past paper questions. Here's the first one. So I'll zoom out a bit. Okay. It says a pattern is made from 4 identical squares. The sides of the squares are parallel to the axis. So point A has coordinates 6, 7, and point B has coordinates 38 and 36. You need to work out the coordinates of point C. Okay. So this is point C, and these are the coordinates which we need to work out. Right. So for this question and for such questions, I would advise you to read the definition and read the information given, because this is not too much information, and at times we just assume things on our own which are not there actually. Okay. So yes, let's do it. So first of all, we know that all of them are squares. So this means that this side would be equal to this side. I need to find the coordinates of C. That means I need to find, I'll just make lines using some other color. So I'll be finding this length, and I'll be adding it to X, because that would give me the X coordinate. So let's talk about the X coordinate first. The X coordinate of this point is 6, and the X coordinate of point B is 38. So what can we say through that?
Well, you can say between XA and BA, it's a gap of 32, and there are 4
Very good.
squares in the middle. So you can do
Excellent.
32 divided by 4,
Very
which
good.
is 8. So one
Yes.
square must be 8.
Excellent. Okay, so all of them are of 8. Right. So this is clear. This would be 8. And for finding out C, it would be 6, since the X coordinate is 6. 6 plus 8 plus 8. Right. So that would give me
that would give you 24.
22.
Yeah, 22.
Okay, very good. 22 is the X coordinate of C. That is good. This point is 22. And what about the Y coordinate? So that is why it was a 5-mark question. So this is also, it's a square. This thing would also be 8. This thing would also be 8. This would also be 8. And this would also be 8. Okay. Let me write this one. Okay.
So
Now,
would Y be 16 at 7 or not?
okay, think about it peacefully. Just think about it logically.
Peaceful.
Okay, one thing is clear, that this, let's write it down as X. Okay, I'm not sure that what length it is. I need to find that out. But all I can see is that 8, this 8 plus 8 plus X plus 8 would give me, and plus the 7 as well. So 7 was the existing Y height. 7 plus 8 plus this 8 plus this X plus this 8 is equal to what? It is equal
36.
to 36 minus 7. Okay. Oh, sorry, it is equal to 36. Sorry. Yes.
It's 36 by
Yes,
itself.
36. Very good. Sorry. Yes, 36.
And
Very
you
good.
can
Okay.
take away 24, which is 12.
And then 7
take
as well.
away 7, which is 5. So X equals 5.
Very good. So X
So
is
then you
5.
can do, and then you can do 8, add 8, 8, add 3.
Just 5, and this is 3. Okay. And now we need to, so this would also be 3.
Oh, so it'd be 5. It would be 5.
Very good. Yes. So what would be the Y coordinate exactly?
Well, it would be 10. No, it would be 8 add 8, which is 16, and 19. So 7 and 19, which is 26.
Wait, it would be 7 plus 8 plus 5. Okay. This is the coordinate, right?
Yes.
So it is not, 8 is the full length. 8 is this full length. I'll just highlight it. 8 is this full length, and it is divided into 3 and 5. So we are only interested in the 5 part.
Yeah.
Okay, so it would be this, and that is 20. Yes. So the coordinates of C are going to be 22 and 20. That is the correct answer.
Yeah.
Yes. Any doubts with this one?
No, I think so. I got it.
All right. Okay. Right. So this was the first question. Let's talk about the second one. Okay. Now it says, Rainy buys 5 kg of sweets to sell. She pays 10 pounds for the sweets. Rainy puts all the sweets into bags. She puts 250 grams of sweets into each bag. She sells each bag of sweets for 65 pence. Rainy sells all the bags of sweets, work out her profit. Okay. So we need to talk about the profit, and this was her cost, right? So let's see. She initially bought 5 kgs and now she's making a bag each of 250 kgs. So how many bags is she going to have?
She'll have 20.
5 kgs is the total amount of sweets, and each bag is made of 250 grams. So how many
Yes,
bags?
20. 20.
Okay, okay. Very well done. Yes, okay. 4 into 5. Very good. So 4 into 5 would give you 20. That is very good. And what would be her selling price then? Like what would be her revenue? 20
Wait,
bags?
don't you just do 65p times 20,
Very good.
which equals £13.
Yes, that
She
is
paid
correct.
£10,
Hmm.
so the percentage profit is 30%.
Excellent. Very well done. Very good. Okay. So this into this would give you 1300 pence, and it would be 13 pounds. And this was 10 pounds. So it would be 30%. Very good. Yes, that is correct. Okay. Let's talk about the next one. Okay. Now the first part says, I'll zoom in. So it says Bernica wants to buy 35 t-shirts. Each t-shirt costs 5.80 pounds. Bernica does the calculation 40 into 6, that is 240, to estimate the cost of 35 t-shirts. Explain how Bernica's calculation shows the actual cost will be less than 240. So it is very obvious.
Because she's rounded up both her variables.
Yes, exactly. So this should have been 5.8 and it's 6, and this was 35, so it's 40. It's 40. Very good. Okay. There's a special offer. T-shirt is for 5.80 pounds each. Buy 30 or more t-shirts and get 10% off the total cost. Work out the actual cost of buying 35 t-shirts using the special offer.
So if you buy 30 or more t-shirts, you get 10 off the total cost. Work out the actual cost of buying 35. So don't you do £5.80 times 35, which equals 0, 40, 25, 29, 0, 0, 3, 60, 24, 15, 17, 0, 0, 13, 2, 2, 4, 5, 153, and then you have to take away what's 15.3 of that, so it's 153, 15.2. Is the actual cost £137.70?
1 second. There's some problem with your calculations. You did 35 multiplied by 5.8. And what was your answer? It was 153 something?
Just 153.
No, it should be 203. Just check this again. This practice is important because you would not be having a calculator for this.
You do 0 times 5, 0, 8 times 5, 0, 40. 5 times 5 is 25, 29. And 0 to 0. 8 times 3 is 24. 5 times 3 is 15. Add 2 is 17. 0, 0, 9, 4, 9, 3, 1. 1, 8, 10. Yep, go ahead, 203.
Very good. Okay. So this is 203, and now tell me the final answer after 10% discount.
203.0 minus 272 182.7.
Very well done, excellent.
Yeah,
So it
it's
is
because I wrote my 7 like a 2, so I accidentally made it 5 rather than 10.
Okay, okay. Oh, that's okay. All right. So this is going to be the actual cost. All right. Okay. Let's talk about the next one. Right. Okay. So this is a diagram, and let's just see what exactly we are supposed to find. Show that the angle ABF is 70 degrees. Okay. Now you can see that these two lines are parallel and these two lines are parallel, and every other thing is just written on the in the description as well. To just try showing that ABF would be 70 degrees. Let's see if you can try doing it or not.
ABF 70 degrees. B would be so CBF would be 35 because of alternate angles. Not alternate angles, corresponding angles.
Yes, very good.
I always forget those rules. Weird. And then 35 as 75 is 110, right? So E, the top of E would be 70.
Very good.
I don't know if we need that, but it's
and
helpful.
why?
Because angles in a triangle add up to 180.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay, okay. All right, okay.
70. And then I'm thinking it's if we get let me see, and then we know that then 105, then that would be D would be 75.
This one?
Yes.
Okay, very good.
That means the other side of D would be 105 because it's a straight line.
This one?
No, like just underneath it.
Okay, yes.
So this would be 105. Yeah, that would be 105.
Very good.
And then the last it would be the last one is 110 at 105 is 215. It would be 145, I think. Yeah. And now it's asking for show that angle ABF. Okay, so now you can do, oh wait, could you say that it's 105 as so it's a parallelogram? That wait, so is the other side of F 35? The other side,
right?
Yeah, is that 35?
Yes, very good.
And then you have 105 at 75, that's 180, and then you have 35 there. Hold on, 35 there. So that means is A 75 because of congruent triangles or not?
A would be 75, but I did not get your logic. Congruent
I don't know.
triangles?
I just thought wait, that's wrong.
Okay. Think about it. You calculated all the angles correctly, but the only hint I can give you.
It's because it's a parallelogram. In a parallelogram, are the opposite angles the same?
Yes, like 35 and 35 was same.
35 and 35.
Like this angle and this
opposite angles the same. So like would 75, would A and C be the same? Because the opposite angles
no, not necessarily.
okay. Because then you could say that B is altogether should be 105. You take away 35 and it should be 70.
Yes, in
But that's not the
in this case,
in this case, yeah, but
it
it's not
would
the rule.
work. It would work, but not necessarily. Okay. So
Let me just
I'll
see.
tell you. I'll tell. Should I tell you or not?
Oh wait, let me just see if I can do it quickly. 35. Wait, is okay, I'm confused now. I don't
Okay,
know.
I'll give you I'll give you a hint. Okay, it is related to parallel lines and some of the angles in a parallel line.
The sum of an
So I'll just
angle.
rub all the extra things we calculated, and the answer is directly there. Okay, so the rule says, I'll tell you, it's completely fine. The rule says if you have two parallel lines, let's say this, and they are being cut by a transversal. So this angle and this angle, let's say it's A and it's B. The sum of A plus B is going to be 180 degrees, right? So if this is 75, this would be 180 would be equal to C plus complete P. So C is 75. So 180 minus 75 would give you B, and that is 105. Okay. Complete P is 105, and I will take out this 35 degrees. I would get 70. So this is 70 degrees. So it was direct.
Wait, could you explain that again quickly?
Yes, definitely. Okay. So the rule says if we have two parallel lines, the sum of interior angles is going to be 180 degrees. Are you familiar with that rule?
I think so.
Okay. So basically, you were saying that this is 75 and that is why it should be, you said something. But basically, since AB is parallel to DC, so angle A plus angle D, A plus D would give you 180 degrees, and B plus C would give you 180 degrees. Okay.
Oh, okay.
So since.
Oh, I see. So, yeah.
Okay, yes, now try doing it.
Yeah, got it.
So this is 75. This complete angle would be 105. Okay.
So
And
top right and add top left equals 180, and bottom left add bottom right equals 180.
yes,
And what's this rule called?
this the sum of interior angles in case of a parallelogram. You can think about it this way as well. Let's say this and this. Why this and this? Because AD is parallel to BC. Okay. And then this and this.
Yeah.
That would also
Yeah,
be.
I get it. And then because that's 105, you have to take away the 35 we had, and that would make
Exactly.
70.
Yes, that would be 70. Very good. So A, B, F is 70 degrees. Are you sure that you have understood this?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. You can just note this down. Whenever you have two parallel lines, this should come to your mind. Okay.
Yeah.
Parallel lines, and if they don't make the sign, still if it's a parallelogram, we know we would be having two pairs of parallel lines. Okay. Let's talk about the next one. Okay, now it is an easy yet interesting question. The diagram shows a logo made from 3 circles. Each circle has center O. Daisy says that exactly 1/3 of the logo is shaded. Is Daisy correct? You must show all your working.
Do you? Oh, I see. I think. So 4 add 3 is 7. 7 add 3 is 10. Do you have to times it by 360 to get all of it? Or
okay, wait. It says Daisy says that exactly 1/3 of the logo is shaded. So this is your logo, and for proving this or for finding this, we need to find the shaded area and we need to find the other area, and then only then we would be able to, you know, see if this claim
Oh,
is
I
true or not.
see.
Okay.
So you
Hmm.
could do area of a circle. So
Hmm.
you could do pi,
Hmm.
uh, pi, uh, you could do pi 4 squared and then
Okay.
add
And that
that to
would,
pi 3 squared.
okay, if I do pi 4 squared plus pi 3 squared, this would give me this area twice, right? If I'm doing it this,
How?
and if I'm doing it, okay, and then pi 3 squared would not give me this area.
Yeah,
Pi
yeah, I know,
3,
I know. I'm saying it would give you the outside area, the outside white.
no, pi 3 squared would not give me that, okay?
Oh
Not
no, no,
pi.
it would be pi 3. It would be pi add 3 add 6. It would be pi 10 squared, but
Very
then you
well
take
done.
away the areas of
Mhm.
the two middle ones.
Wait a second, wait a second. This would be 100
Wait,
pi,
I think
right?
I know how to do it. So you do.
Okay,
So
just
you
do it.
find.
Just do it peacefully without any rush. Just try doing it and then tell me if you're able to do it or not, okay?
It just says. So you. 100. Shaded is. She's correct.
Are you sure?
Yes.
What are you getting?
I tried. I did.
Mm-hmm.
You do the pi 10 squared to get the whole logos area,
Very good.
which is 100 pi.
Mm-hmm.
And then you do pi times 4 squared equals 16 pi. So that's the inner one.
Mm-hmm.
You do pi times 7 squared minus 16 pi,
Mm-hmm.
which equals 33 pi, which is
Very
the
good.
shaded.
Mm-hmm.
Oh God, wait, have I gone wrong? And
Yes,
then
it's correct. Mm-hmm.
for the outside, you would do pi times 10 squared minus 49 pi for the inner things, which equals 51 pi. But then you know that the whole thing is 100 pi. You know that the shaded bit is 33 pi. So
Mm-hmm.
it's it is 1/3.
No, it is 33 by 10, right? 33 by
Yeah,
100. You would get, so basically this turned out to be
0.33.
33
Oh,
exactly, yes. So 33 by 100 would give you 0.33.
oh, I didn't even check. I just automatically thought 0.33 would be 1/3.
And this is 0.33333, right?
Yep.
So it is not exactly the same. This is not exactly the same. That is why it is correct. Yes, it is approximately correct, but it is not
Oh.
exactly 1/3. Okay.
How comes? Because it's not continuous.
Yes, because it is
Oh,
0.3333333 and
was
0.33.
was my was my working right though? The
Yes,
working was right.
so basically what I understood was that first you calculated the area of the entire circle, that is 100
Yeah.
pi. Then you did
Yeah.
pi 7 squared, and that give you
minus
49.
the inner white circle.
Yeah, okay.
So minus 16 pi.
49 pi give you the gray and white area, and then
Yeah.
you did 49 pi minus 16 pi, and it give you 33 pi. Yes, so this turned out to be 33 pi. All the area was 100 pi. So for finding the ratio of shaded to unshaded, it would be 33 pi over 100 pi. That is 0.33, and it is not exactly 1 by 3, right?
Yeah.
Very good. Yes. So you have understood it
Oh,
correctly. Now you can see that this is something that, anyone, in fact, when I was trying doing it, I was like that, yes, it would be. It's approximately say, because I missed this word. I did not read this exactly. And then after looking at the marking scheme, when I came back and I read it exactly, that it says exactly. So it means that we need to be careful while checking such claims. Okay. Always be
yeah.
careful. The examiner would not give you such straightforward things. Okay. So is this example okay?
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Let's talk about the next question then. Okay, it's easy. It says here's a rectangle. All the measurements are in centimeters. The area of the rectangle is 48 centimeters squared. Show that y is 3 centimeters. Okay. How can you do this?
Well, because it's a rectangle, 2x plus 6 and 5x minus 9 must equal the same thing.
Very
So it
good.
doesn't matter which one you use. So you could do 48 equals 3 times 5x minus 9. Is that right?
Say it again. 48 equals.
3 times 5x minus 9.
But why did you use 3?
Because it's y. So that
Okay.
is
No. You need to show that y is 3. Okay. You need to show that y is 3. You will not use y equals 3. You will just show that y is 3.
Oh, okay. So 48 equals y times 5x minus 9.
Okay.
And then
Then this would be an equation with 2 variables. Okay. So you clearly know
yeah.
that for finding out 2 variables, you need at least 2 equations. So from where would you get the other equation?
So then 48 equals y times 2x plus 6.
Yes, that is okay. All right. Okay. So that is how you'll do it.
And then do you do simultaneous equations?
Okay. Yes. Yes. Okay. That method is completely fine, but I'll tell you a good method, and this working is basically a next version of that. Now, 2x plus 6 is the length, right? It is the length, and
Yeah.
these two sides would be equal. So this would be equal to 5x minus 9, right?
Yeah.
So I can find the value of x. I have an equation, and the
Oh,
only
yeah.
unknown variable is x. So 6 plus 9.
So you could do 6 equals 3x minus 9. 15 equals 3. X equals 5.
Very good.
Oh, for God's sake. And then you can just substitute. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's actually really easy. Wait, hold on. And then you can just do 5 times 5 minus 9 equals 14. 14 times, you can just do 48 over 14. Oh, wait. Oh, yeah. And then. Doesn't that mean you can do 2 times 5 plus 6 equals 16? 48 divided by 16 equals 3.
Very good. Yes, that is correct. So area is length into width. So it is 16, and we need to find this. Let's write it as y, and this is 48. So 48 divided by 16 would give me y, that is 3. This is the correct answer. Very good. So were you able to understand it easily?
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So let's talk about the next one. Okay. Now it says here are a triangle and a rectangle. The area of the rectangle is 6 times the area of the triangle. Work out the width of the rectangle.
So you do 9 times 8, which equals 72. Divide by 2 equals 36. 36 times 6. Oh, wait, no. 36 divided by 6 equals. No, you do 36 times 6, my bad. 36 times 6, which equals
You're going in the
216.
right direction.
216 divided by 16 equals. Oh wait, well done. This one 0, 2, and 1, 5, 48, 3, 8, 13.5.
Yes, very good.
Yes, that was easy.
This is 13.5 centimeters. Okay, very well done. Excellent. Okay, let's talk about the next one. So now it says Belina has a garden in the shape of a circle of radius 10 meters. He is going to cover the garden with grass seed to make a lawn. Grass seed is sold in boxes. Each box of grass seed will cover 46 meters squared. Belina wants to cover all the garden with grass seed. Work out an estimate for the number of boxes of grass seed Belina needs. You must show your working. Yes, so think about it.
Oh, I see. I see. Is it? You can use your calculator.
Sorry?
Can you use your calculator?
No, this paper is non-calculator exam.
See, okay. So you have. Well, so the area of the circle is pi times 10 squared equals 100 pi.
Yes, very good.
Which is the same as 300, and you can make it 319 if you round up.
Okay.
46 times 8 equals 6 times 8. 48. 32. 36. Oh wait, let me see the 46. 7, 6 times 7, 42. What's that? 28. 300. It's 7 box. Is it 7 boxes?
Okay, exactly. Okay, let's write it down as 7 boxes.
Is that wrong?
No, that is correct. The marking
Oh,
scheme
yes.
has range because you'll be doing it without calculator. So it is
I
completely fine. Okay. The
I
range
did pi times 10 squared equals 100 pi. So which is, you can do 100 times pi, which is like 3.18, blah, blah, blah. But if it's a decimal and you need boxes, you round up, so you can make it 319. And then I just did 46 times 8, which was 368. So I knew it was below that. So I did 46 times 7, which equals 322, which is more than enough because you need to fill all of it exactly. So I did 7 boxes.
Yes, that is correct. The answer would be 6 point something, and then you said 7. Very good. Okay. Now let's talk about the next part. Next part depends on this. The next part says, is your estimate for part A an underestimate or an overestimate?
It is a. I rounded up. So it's an overestimate because I rounded the pi up.
Exactly. Very good.
Yes.
Excellent. That is correct. Okay. So this would be the answer. If let's say someone used, something else, so then the answer would have been different for them. So it's completely fine. For the marking scheme, like in the marking scheme, the answer was this way, 6 to 8. So that totally depends on your working. And then whatever you do, you need to decide it accordingly. Okay. All right. Let's talk about the next one. Okay. So it says solve 4x minus 5 equals 18. That is easy. We can do that. Right? It is going to be.
It would be 4x equal. Oh wait,
You
have
can
I
do
done
it.
this one? X equals 4. 0, 3, 36, no, 32, 36, 9, 2. Is it 9.5?
Yes, very good.
Okay, I was going to say.
That's 9.5. And then for the next one, you need to write down all the possible values of t.
-2, -1, 0, 1, 2.
Very well done. Excellent. -2, -1, 0, 1, and 2. Excellent. Okay. And then this is the another question. Let's just try doing this. This rectangular frame is made from 5 straight pieces of metal. The weight of the metal is 1.5 kgs per meter. Work out the total weight of the metal in the frame of the box. Yes, think about it.
The regular frame is made from 5 straight pieces of metal. The weight of the metal. Do you do 1 point? Oh, I see. Hold on. It would be. Do you find the area and then times that?
Okay, yes, that would have been an appropriate method if this said per meter squared. It says
Oh
per
yeah.
meter, okay?
So it says 5. It says 5 straight pieces of metal. Is it just 5 times 1.5 or not?
No, because the length of every piece is different.
Let's see. Oh, do you do 1.5 times 12?
Okay.
Then 1.5 times 5, add them together and times that by 5.
Now, why are we multiplying that by 5?
Because there's 5 straight pieces.
But the length is different for every piece.
I've got no clue then.
Okay. I think we discussed a similar question earlier as well. That is why I wanted you to think about it, but it's completely fine. It is a rectangular frame, okay, made of 5 straight pieces. Which are the 5 straight pieces? 1, 2.
Oh, that's the
Okay.
frame.
Yep.
Oh, that makes sense.
3.
Oh, that makes so
Yes.
much sense.
Okay,
I
now
thought that
try
was just
doing
a
it.
random square.
No. Now try doing it.
So it's 12, add 12,
Very
add
good.
5, add 5, add 13,
Okay.
which equals 10, 24, 34, 34, add 13 equals 34, add 34, add 13 equals 47. And then can you just do 1.5 times 47 and then that's your answer?
Yes. So can you calculate the answer? Very well done.
7 times 5 is 35. 4 times 5 is 20, 23. You put 0. 4 times 5 is 20. 4, 6. 5, 3, 8. Is it 83.5?
Just check that again.
Oh, wait. It's 1.5, isn't it? So you can just do 47 divided by 2, which equals 2, 3, 1, 203.5. 47 add 23.5 equals 3 equals 50, 70.5.
Yes, very good. Excellent. The answer would be 70.5. Okay. Very good. Because you were able to identify its triangle, right angle triangle. And that is how we do it. Very good. So you added all the sides and multiplied it by 1.5. Okay.
I didn't know that was the frame. I just thought it was like a random square.
No, always, pay attention to the keywords. Okay. If it's a shape or stuff like that. Okay. So I'll scroll up once again. And if you have any questions, just ask me. If not, then I have some other questions so we can do them. So I think there was a question which was a bit confusing. Were you able to get this?
Yeah, I got this.
Okay.
I got this. I got this. Yeah, I got this.
All right. Okay. So this is what we did. I'll scroll down.
And then I got the circle one, the rectangle one. That one was easy. And then this one was, yeah, I got that. These ones I got. This one I got, yeah.
Okay. All right. So I assume that all these questions were okay. Then I'll just write it on the whiteboard. So in the last class, we were doing some questions like this class. So there was a question with fractions, and I could feel that you had some disturbance with that. So let's try doing some of those questions. It's also a past paper question. I'll just write it down quickly. So it says we have two parts. The first part says 2, 1/7
Yeah.
plus 1 whole 1/4.
Yeah.
So can you try simplifying this?
Yeah, I can. I can indeed. Be done. 4, so 4, 5 will be 60. 20, 5, 28 equals 5 by yeah, and then the divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it 95 over 28?
Okay, very good. And
Oh wait, do you want me to simplify it?
yes.
4 at 24, 74 at 28. Is it 3? 3 and 21 over 28.
No, it should be 11/28.
Oh yeah, wait, let me just see that. 4 for 84. Is it 3 and 11 over 28?
Yes, very good. So is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, so let's talk about the second part of the same question. And it says, work out this thing.
Easy. So you do 6 over 5 divided by 3 over 4. Keep, flip, change. 6 times 4 is 24, 15, 1, and you can make it. Could you make it that both have 3 go into them? It's 8 over 5. Is it 1 3/5?
Yes, very good.
Bah.
So it is going to be 1 3/5. Now for giving the final answer, since this question has both the things, but 8/5 would not be a proper fraction, right? So either the answer could be in this form or this form, since the only choice was this one, because otherwise it was an improper fraction. Okay, so always make sure that you give the final answer in the correct form, right?
Yeah.
All right, okay. So just give me one more second. I'll stop the recording and